Hi everybody, pumpkin soup time. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Scrap gardening is very easy. So here you can see stuff like the potato eyed. So that potato, you have the potato in the kitchen for a long time and it starts to grow. So you just chop those up into 4 or 5 pieces and plant them, and you will get lots and lots of bunches of potato growing within a few weeks. The carrot is the same thing. You just chop off the top part of the carrot, maybe soak it in some water for a few days, and then it starts to spring roots, and you just plant that, and there you have it. So scrap gardening is very economical and it's very fun to do because the children can plant all these things and just watch them grow. I want to leave it somewhere.
Huh?
You want to leave it somewhere?
No.
You going with it?
Huh?
You taking it?
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, go outside, plant a garden of your own using scraps from the kitchen, and watch them grow. See you next week, Monday.